Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers and listeners, welcome to this program. My name is Muhammad Safiullah Simon. I'm a student of madrasah first year in Ar-Rayhan International Madrasah. My dear brothers and sisters, I thank all of you for coming this program. I would like to request my classmate Muhammad Hamim Munna for his delivery.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hamim Munna. I am a student of class madrasah first year in Ar-Rayhan International Madrasah. Eid al-Fitr, a joyous occasion marking the end of Ramadan, holds immense significance in the lives of Muslims worldwide. This celebration not only exemplifies religious observance but also embodies values, compassion, gratitude, and community. As the Christian month signals the conclusion of a month of fasting, Muslims gather in unity to express their gratitude for the spiritual growth attained during Ramadan. Eid al-Fitr is a time of joyous festivities, where families come together to share meals, exchange gifts, and strengthen the bond, deepen the essence of community. Beyond its cultural and social dimension, Eid al-Fitr encapsulates the spirit of generosity and charity. Muslims practice Zakat al-Fitr, a form of almsgiving, ensuring that the less fortunate can partake in the celebration. This act of giving reflects the core Islamic principles of compassion and empathy, fostering a sense of shared responsibility for the well-being of others. Moreover, Eid al-Fitr serves as a reminder of the importance of self-discipline and spiritual reflection. The month of Ramadan is not only about abstaining from food and drink but also about nurturing virtues such as patience, self-control, and humanity, striving to incorporate them into their daily lives. As the Christian month signals the conclusion of a month of fasting, Muslims gather in unity to express their gratitude for the spiritual growth attained during Ramadan. Eid al-Fitr is a time of joyous festivities where families come together to share meals, exchange gifts, and strengthen the bonds, deepen the essence of community. Beyond its cultural and social dimension, Eid al-Fitr encapsulates the spirit of generosity and charity. Muslims practice Zakat al-Fitr, a form of almsgiving, ensuring that the less fortunate can partake in the celebration. This act of giving reflects the core Islamic principles, shared responsibility for the well-being of others. Moreover, Eid al-Fitr serves as a reminder of the importance of self-discipline and spiritual reflection. The month of Ramadan is not only about abstaining from food and drink but also about nurturing virtues as patience. Thank you so much.